Should you transfer Amex membership rewards to Delta SkyMiles? Quick answer, it depends. Amex transfers to Delta at a 1-to-1 rate and are usually instant. But Delta uses dynamic award pricing. There's no guaranteed award chart. That means the same route can cost 12,000 miles one day and 50,000 the next. Example, domestic one-way economy often ranges 7,500 to 30,000 SkyMiles. Example, business class to Europe can spike from 70,000 up to 150,000 SkyMiles. When it's a good deal, flash sales, confirmed partner award space, or cheap Delta promos. When it's not, high dynamic pricing, last-minute bookings, or peak premium season dates. Always check the award price before transferring. Transfers are usually irreversible. Tip: compare Amex partner programs and cash plus points options before you commit. Quick rule: transfer only when you can confirm seats at a reasonable miles price. Key takeaway: Delta transfers can be great, but only after price checking. Be flexible.